and welcome back to your irregular Latvian lesson. If you live with a Latvian that lives in close proximity to other Latvians, sooner or later you will be pulled into their choris, choir. You know what they say, nothing brings Latvians together like food and choris. To help you, here is a crash course on Latvian choris vocabulary, so you can understand the instructions and sing confidently. Let's go! First off, it is a great idea that you join choris, not only because we always have a shortage of singers, but also because it is a unique opportunity for you to get to know and connect with the soul of your Latvian. Even if day-to-day they're not all about the Latvian culture, everybody cries when they hear Saule Pērkons Daugava, the song Sun, Thunder and Daugava. No exceptions. But don't think that in choris you will izbraukt, literally drive out, but actually pass undetected while playing with your phone in the back. No. Latvians take singing seriously, and the dirigents, the conductor, will izspiest sulu, squeeze the juice out of you, which means make you work hard, just like if you were any other Latvian. The first thing that is going to happen to you will be iedziedāšanās, in singing, a series of vocal exercises to warm up those vocal cords. And then the conductor will pārbaudīt tavu balsi, check your voice to decide which part you will be singing. Ladies can become either soprani or alti, while men can be tenori or bassi, and baritoni if you are somewhere in the middle. Remember who you are, because from that moment you will only be addressed as your voice group. Tagad lūdzu bassi. Now the bass sings. Tagad alti klusē. Now altos, please do shut up. Tenori nāk klāt. The tenors join. Soprani nost. Sopranos off. A very common term to say stop singing instantly, as opposed to turēt, to hold, which means turēt kamēr nomirst. Hold that note until you die, or until the dirigent says nost. Every conductor is unique and has their own set of spārnotie teicieni, winged expressions, which for Latvians means they have become iconic. Nevertheless, some are common to all the choirs, and they mostly have to do with the three pillars of great singing. First, the pitch. Nobody likes netīra dziedāšana, unclean singing, but at least we have some creative ways to tell you that you're off pitch. If the dirigent says kas tur rūc, who is growling there? It means that somebody is singing off-key and quite loudly. Probably somebody from the rasnais gals, the fat end of the choir, which means altos and bass, because they sing the low, voluminous notes, as opposed to soprani and tenori, who sing very high. Piebraukt means that you're driving up to a note. Šļūkāt, sliding left and right, just like peldēt, swimming in choir language means that you're singing most of the melody correctly, except for the parts that you invent yourself. On to the second pillar of singing. You might be pitch perfect, but you still gotta have rhythm. Neskrien, don't run, means that you are singing a bit too fast. Uz priekšu, forward, and nevelkamies, let us not drag ourselves, means that you're singing a little bit too slow. But the worst crime is iespērties nevietā, to kick down the door in the wrong place, which means that you have just sung in a pause. Take a pencil and iezīmē, write it in your sheet music that this is a pause, which means you don't sing. Par ātru, you sang too fast. Par vēlu, you were just a bit too late. But o means you got it. That was perfect. Now repeat it the same way 10 more times. But then the third pillar of singing, the pitch and tempo, would be nothing without the right attitude and delivery. In choris we dziedāt, we sing, not bļaut like a boar, gaudot, howl like a wolf, or pīkstēt, squeal like little mice. That's why we have to vērt mutes vaļā, open our mouth so that our voice can go far and wide. Because if we sing like this, nobody can hear us. Nebaidieties! Don't be afraid means open that mouth and sing louder. Tagad sāksies pats jautrākais. The fun part is about to begin means brace yourself, this next part is going to be very difficult. Kāpēc nomirāt? Why did you die? Means you decided not to sing this difficult part because you don't know it. But so did your entire voice group. Bad, bad, bad. Just because in concerts you can find a varoņu tenors or varoņu soprans, somebody who really learned all of their parts and are able to carry their entire voice group, doesn't mean that you should not mācīties no galvas. Learn your songs by heart, or if you're a Latvian, from the head. If the conductor calls the song a murgs, a nightmare, it means it's a very beautiful song, and once you're done crying about how difficult it is to learn, you will really enjoy singing it, I promise. Nevajag tik bēdīgi, neviens nav nomiris. Don't be so sad, nobody has died, is when the choir is already so tired from learning a song, they have no more energy in their throat, so a song that's supposed to be uplifting sounds like a bunch of orphans singing the song of sadness in the midst of a winter storm. So do learn those songs by heart, because then instead of hiding behind your sheet music, you will be able to look at the public and show them your acis, eyes, smites, smile, and that ensures a wonderful concert. Un nu, viss! Thank you for watching your Irregular Latvian lesson on Choris Vocabulary. It is as important as knowing first aid and your mom's phone number. I hope that those of you who sing will find this useful, and those who don't, maybe you will join soon. This is the perfect time to do it because Dziesmu Svētki, the Latvian Song and Dance Festival, is coming this summer, 2023. Patreons, to get you ready for Dziesmu Svētki, I've started preparing a special series on the most popular Latvian chorus songs. So check out your special lesson featuring their translation, recording, and interesting facts available now. And thank you as always for the support. Everybody, let me know in the comments your experiences with choris. I would love to know if you sing and if I'm gonna see you on that big stage at Dziesmu Svētki. Write it down in the comments and I will see you soon, maybe. Bye!